Hi, welcome again. In this video, we are going to learn about how to draw the cartoon hand. So let's get started without any further delay. Drawing hand is a problem for many people. You know who you are the one sitting way in the back at cartoonist convention, not having any fun. Years of therapy wouldn't solve this problem. All you will wind up with is a lot of bills your insurance wouldn't cover and a really low opinion of your parents, right? There is a better way. The first thing to realize is that anytime you are having trouble drawing a hand pose, you have got the ultimate reference right at your side. Your own hand. Strike a hand pose, look at it, and draw it. It's amazing how people spend hours struggling to draw a hand without ever even looking at one. Think cute and chunky when drawing hands. Think personality. Hands are very expressive. You can draw them with three or four fingers. It really doesn't matter as long as you keep the number consistent for each character. The bones of the fingers and thumb. Fingers have three movable bones in them. The thumb also has three movable bones. The first thumb bone, which most people mistakenly believe is an immovable part of the hand, is buried in your thumb muscle. If you can move your thumb toward your pinky finger, you can see just how far this bone moves. None of the other bones of the palm can move like this. Cartoonists usually eliminate the last bone of the finger, drawing fingers that have only two joints. The thumb, however, retains three joints. As you can see here, I have made some drawings like hand construction side view. Note the spacing between the index finger and the thumb muscles, palm heel. Note that the palm heel overlaps the thumb muscles in poses in which the palm heel is closer to the reader. A line across base of fingers helps define palm area. One uneven line effectively indicates knuckles. Note the uneven height of the fingers. Many cartoonists draw the index finger as the longest, the middle finger slightly smaller, and the pinky the smallest. That means left. However, for poses in which the fingers are stacked, I feel it's more effective to show an uneven height because the far rightmost finger seems to want to diminish as it recedes towards the background. Right. Okay, yeah, it's quite good. So now we are going to start with the woman's hand. Most female hands are drawn with the four fingers rather than three. This is because the female body is typically drawn more realistically than the male body. The male figure is more of caricature derived from a simple shape like an oval, but the female form is more complex due to the wide chest, narrow waist, wide hips design. Woman's hand therefore must be drawn more realistically to be consistent with the body. Note that the female fingers must taper, and that three fingers don't look as good as four on woman's hand, right? So okay, thank you guys. Hope you will like this video, and it will help